Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm sharing with you a quick recipe of how to make sugar donuts at home. I hope you like it, and if you do, kindly like this video before proceeding, subscribe to my channel, and now let's get into the recipe. And to start off, you're gonna need all-purpose flour, and you're going to add that to a mixing bowl, and after that add sugar to taste, and all the quantities have been written on the video, plus I added milk powder. And after that I went ahead and added yeast, and after adding all those dry ingredients, now give that a good mix and set that mixture aside. Now take another bowl and add 1 egg. Proceed to adding a 1/4 cup of oil, and then you're gonna add a flavor of your choice, and I used 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And you're going to give that a very good mix before adding the mixture into the dry ingredients mixture. And you're going to give that a very good mix, ensuring that all the ingredients come together, and that is warm water. I used a total of 3/4 cups, but add it gradually just so that you do not mess up with your dough. Add in a little amount at a time, and you're going to continue kneading to get a soft dough like this one. And after that, you're now going to roll the dough out. You can confirm if it's ready by pressing it down. It should bounce back immediately. That shows that the dough is ready. Now proceed to rolling the dough out. And after rolling it out, this is my preferred thickness. Use whatever thickness you like, depending on how thick you want your donuts to be. And I used a nozzle and a cookie cutter to shape my donuts. So I just went ahead and cut into very nice circles at first. If you do not have a cookie cutter or even a nozzle, you can use a cup or even a glass. It would work just fine. And after that, now going in with the nozzle just to make that design at the center like shown on the video. If you do not have a nozzle, again you can use a kifuniko. You can even use just something smaller than whatever you initially used, just to make that design. And after that, now you're going to take all the donuts and put them somewhere. Like you see mine, I put them on a tray, and you're going to leave them to rest for 1 hour. And 1 hour later, you need medium hot oil, not very hot oil, medium hot, and you're going to start frying your donuts. And the idea is to ensure that the donuts are fully cooked and that they are golden brown on the outside as you like it. And these donuts are super easy to make. And guys, if you have watched my video to this point and haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly please just subscribe to my channel. It's free, you won't be charged anything. Just subscribe, and support a sister. And after that, now you're going to keep turning the donuts until the both sides are fully cooked. And now preparing sugar. After the donuts are very well cooked, you're going to take 1 donut at a time and add it into the sugar and toss it like shown, and the donuts will be ready. How simple was that, guys? You can make this for your family for breakfast, and they're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye.